Right, another day hanging out with the birds, and I was chatting with the bird now and the sparrow about what I'm going to do to it soon after they had a feed. Come out and see how I'm going to work it. Pretty sure I'm going to have it at the front there. So it comes out the front, sort of thing. So it's going to sit the front. As it's going to hold some flowers. And then the design around it, well, I think I might get some mortar to do the design. Because, I don't know, the quick dry might just give me the nuggets, but I'll see how I go. I prefer to use concrete, so I'm just up and over and about it. And I'm going to get another bag soon of mortar. I've got a couple of bags of concrete at the moment. So I'm like, if I feel up to it after they leave, after I go out there and have a look, I might just motivate me to pour out a bag and quickly do the top. What do you reckon? It's not too noisy or anything like that. And it's much cooler out here now. And the babies keep landing on the pyramid. Yes. So they reckon, yeah, come out and do something. Because as you're recovering, the heat, man, you're a little sick, knocks you the hell out. Unless you're out there enjoying it, you know, in a boat or something like that, you don't want to be going out working in the heat unless you have to, I want to go out there and finish some things, eh, Beavers? Yeah, I'm going to get this tarp very soon. Lay that tarp down, it's bam, it's going to be done. I'm going to look at some pumps at the same time. It's not too dear. And get a pump. I need some little ones too, because I've got a few little water fountains around. Seen some. And I can use them if I get some pumps and get them going or use them in something. But I have a barrel. Look at that, Jesus. Hey, she's trying to just chillax. So leave me there. Leave me alone. Oh, it's gonna go do my thing then. Like you see the bag out here. I'll put that bag into the recycle. There was just a little extra. Well, I've eaten all that wheat in that bucket. It's cleaned out. They've been taking some for nests. But look what they did. Looks like a mophead. Scraggy old lady from a distance. Evil person looking through. Sorry, that's just a thing I'm on to lately. Like they say, you use all things for material. You're just such a cutie, aren't you? Thinking about the pyramids and what do you do? You're like, yep. You want to be able to jump all over it. You want to see some flowers in it. You want to see the babies in there. Some flowers. As I like to, give flowers every now and then. The things that I know personally. Certain dates, as well, no dates. Look what he's doing. Try it again. Boom! Oh, here comes the jealous boyfriend. Oh, look at him. He's pissed. He's like, you just did what? You alright, babe? You alright, babe? Did you see? Oh, man. Lucky I haven't decked that dude. Oh, man. Oh, I'm going to get back to this food. He's like, ooh. He's stuck on the food. Don't make a move. I want this food. Don't you think about who's coming back. It's like, hey, I'm playing you, mate. Yeah, you better get back to that food. I'll get back to my food. I've seen that. I was in first, mate. Come on. You want it? Huh? What does that remind you of, people? Look at him. Oh, you beavers. These two blokes. Sorry, two birdies. It's like another one locked up in town. They were like, all back off, all back off. She's trying to relax here, people. Sure, I am. See, none of them could have it. Look, she's just like, yeah. You're a hot commodity. Hey, baby? What about you? Hey? Shaboom. You're frisky today. Well, the other two pumpkins are kicking, as you can see. They're getting there. Looks like his brown little puppy is one of them. Don't they remind you of things I was making? Your little deeds. I forgot even pumpkin looked like that when I was making those things. I was thinking of other things, but how's that? They relate to them too. Is that a meow? As an ad would say, seeing is what you see first. New is what you see first. It's new when you see it. Oh, that ain't so bad. So they do it every now and then. Maybe I haven't seen it for a while. Well, ads definitely do their job sometimes. If they're one that really connects to you. Hello, babies. Giving me signs. These little kitties. They're like, we want another bucket. They're gonna have to wait. It was like candy, hey, good times come to an end. They had fun with their wild seeds, getting it themselves. They still do it. They love it. They get into these every now and then. And there's one over in the corner, so they'll be seeding off really soon too. And Saturday, picked out a little bit of, as they've been sort of seeding. Some of them have been going early, like, oh, it's just starting to ripen, kind of thing. Oh, while I'm here, I'll talk about the plants. Besides the flowers going in the top, we're going to have roses growing around this one. So this pyramid will be sort of hidden with roses around it. But it'll be there, you still see it. But be roses all on the top. So with the triangle, you know how I do the triangle? That's a look it'll sort of get, but with lots of lines. You know, like follow the line in all different ways. Oh, someone's getting mould. Whoop, lucky that didn't break. Tomatoes are greening up, they're recovering. So that's a good sign. Trim them back and they'll be yellow. But they're recovering now. They're greening back up a little bit. they're still a little damaged, and they're just starting to do their regrowth. And I looked at it a little bit, but I was like, growing back. So, the tree taking its little time, isn't it? Just patting along. Didn't drop any leaves. He sat there for a while, but it's starting to grow a little bit now since I planted. See, a couple of leaves at the top. So it's starting to do its thing. And the rest of these are going to go around that pyramid. Don't worry. So I eventually want to go around because the birds now. So I'll just put the rest around. And I can make up some more soon. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to call this seasonal garden too, which is going to be pretty cool. Just about to start when we get some more, I'm going to get some more, what do they call, potting mix. And when I live to bunnies. And so I can do some more seedlings. As these guys are coming to their time, we've got some freshies coming. These ones are just getting going. Then we'll have these ones behind it. And then we'll have the ones in the seashell around here going next. And I fixed up the two with some tape. I taped up them with a bigger one. So just stabilised it sort of thing at the same time. See, I'm thinking of using the green stones that I've got, but I don't have really many really green ones. But I know there's a bucket that's sort of mixed that might have some in it. And I've got some that I've collected, but there's not many. I still need them for other projects. And so, I might just use like bucket that might be mixed with all sorts of colours kind of thing, like brownie. Because they all look sort of similar, pinkish and purplish and whitish, greyish and greenish. And green will be in it. Some of the greens can look like a whitish colour you hardly notice. Then it goes green. I like green. If you hit it with water or something to gloss it up. So we'll find out. I think I've got a bucket of that. For the top. Birds reckon cool? Yeah? Views do? What do you reckon, buddy? What did Daddy say? And Daddy's going down into a triangle then. He's like, dunk, dunk, dunk. They agree. That's cool. Gotta make our own decisions too. That's what I'm going with. And you're like, that's cool. Like, we gotta get along somehow. I'm like, I don't want to go. Oh, that's a terrible idea. What are you gonna do? You're gonna stick all these forks in the top. Some of me lamb, we get hurt feet. You're gonna make them red. What? Yeah, they're not gonna agree with that. What do you reckon? Or may have them. No, he's taking off something. Just having some fun. You can call that a luck. Oh, you can't quite see the tree. When I was talking, one took off out of it. Over the top of me, like, meow. You call that luck, timing, or whatever. See, thing is, as you will. Yes. Sorry. Now, there's one thing I'd like to do soon. I was hoping to do it a while back. We haven't gotten around to it. It's missed a few dates. Is to go upgrade Emma's granddad's park there, because he'll have one of them. And it was all nice and pretty, but as I said, the materials I use either not weatherized, and then they go not so pretty looking and gucky. So, what would happen? Maybe if it gets like that, or maybe people might judge it, and then they might remove it. when things do get different looking, do you really still have the right to move gifts, spiritual gifts? Should you get permission before you do it, really? Definitely gifts that may have more time spent in it, or some sort of heart, some way you can pick it up. Like a vase being decorated. Because it's similar to that one, so some of it would be good, the stones on it, the wiring. But we decided we'll wait to sort out an issue so we don't have to have a problem. I've had problems before. No, they've got security cameras there, which is a good thing. At this cemetery. Grandpa, Granddad is out. Hey buddy, you're back! Boom. Like, yeah, come on, yeah. You know what I'm thinking? Some other cool thing I've got an idea of doing. Because there's going to be roses there. You know what I'm going to put in the bottom? I'm also tell you now. Bought a few ideas, but I'm going to go with this one with the babies there. The babies have sent it to me. And then you went over there and went, you know what they're sending me? They're saying, we want to see some sand around the bottom. So we can do our little sandblast. We're going to land over here and go, and with the flowers and stuff, and then we can go on the bottom and we can go around it and go, yippee! We love this stuff. As they've been disappointed that I stole pretty much most of this. So the concrete mix, trying to make it stretch. That's what I'm going to get 2 bags of sand because I'll be in a car where I can't take a trailer or anything. So. But some bags of sand, you know, big as a bucket, will help out. Because I can pitch probably a bucket if I really need to. Because there's barely a half a bucket over there now. They don't really like it. They got to go and it just hits the concrete part of the rocks. Yeah, I know. I'm sorry. So you took all that sand. You were having fun with those baths. So it's going to come back even better. That's when you're 40. Some years. Sorry. So I was just laughing about something. Hello, babies. Because they're babies. I'm still communicating and stuff like that, getting along. How do you communicate and get along with something young first? Right? Maybe you might talk like this. Hey, babies, does it sound kinder than the deep? Look out, because I already tried it myself. They don't like it as much. So you go soft talk and you go, babies, they love that. Some reason, soft, oops, sorry, scratching my arm. Some reason, soft noise, they like better. So that's what it is. Hello, babies. Yeah, maybe because it's quieter. Deep, loud voices. You can go sort of loud. It depends on how you talk loud. So I can talk loud like this, so they're all cool. But if I do some other sort of weird sound, like with that kind of things and stuff like that, they will retaliate. Or sudden movements. Hey, babies, don't get up too quick. We love you and all, but hey, we're not the pigeons on TV where you just feed us and we come running. You gotta earn this respect, boy. Don't you? But the food helps. We have different days here of how many pigeons. So it's not too bad of a day. Got everyone looking at me pyramid today. No little babies. Is it little baby pyramid day today? Hey? Pigeons got theirs. Because they walk all over that one. Right. And the little babies like to walk all over this one. I'm thinking they like the dirt more. They don't like the concrete so much. Pigeons like, yeah, we clean. You don't do the dirt bath thing. But the little guys do, don't you? Yeah. I call this hanging out with the babies. And they're going to build some nests in the tree. They're always looking around in little groups, like looking in corners and that, like they're making, looking for land spots. You know what I mean? You go here, yeah. This corner here looks pretty straight. Because there's a few little things like that. You literally see them up there, looking at the corners in little groups. And that's what I thought all day. Do you like my imagination? Or can there be a better story said? Oh, that's a good hopper. Oh, you're going to do some more? Well, there we go. Alright, they're nearly finished up, so soon I'll be able to go out and do some. Now, will something come up and I don't do it? Or will I do it as the birds are like, come on? And they make me feel guilty that I've said what I've said, so I better do what I've done. Otherwise, we're going to crack it. We'll tear this joint down. We'll use this as a bath. What do you want us to do? You bring all joy to life. Then there was one. I don't know. I'm the king of the castle. Get down from there, boy. I'm king of the castle. Now I'm the man. I used to think these little brown birds were little shits. Back in my day when we were younger, people used to get paid to shoot them. I got asked one stage. Farmers don't like them. Well, we'll pay you for every kill. Those little shits. All these wagtails and that. Get into things. Brown ones, I don't want too many of them. Which is fair enough. But you can work with things. You can always make a way. It's just costly, that's all, isn't it? People don't like costly. Be like, well, why didn't these things just come standing like that then? Now I've got to modify things. This is going to cost me. This is annoying. Oh, why doesn't the government make things more cheaper when it comes to animals getting into things? To make things cheaper for us public, to make better standards. What's going on here? This is annoying me. These bloody little critters. I know I need a lot of them, but they're just not making my life any easier. What can we do about this? Oh, perhaps we need to come up with some ideas. We'll make it work. What do you reckon? Babies reckon that should be a good idea, but they don't have the power. It's up to me. Do I feel lucky? Do I feel loving? Well, do I? I'll have to think about that. What do you reckon, people like that? What are you? Which one are you? You like those dirty little filthy things. I don't care what they are. There's too many of them because I can say it, right? Even though there's more of us than probably them in this area and all this kind of stuff. Well, it's about the same. But anyway, there's too many and they're just annoying me, right? What else could I say that is incriminating to them? Don't let me know about the positives and what we could do. It's what will we do and what are we doing and what is the cheapest thing to do. What do you reckon? Something like that? You know those people? You want to know? And one of those people being like, things are grainy, it's too much of a grainy. I'd just like to have a conversation about that theory and why we pick what we pick. That's all I want, actually. I believe in balance. I believe too much will kill things, will cause problems. Right? That's why we have a balance. Right? But if you keep a balance and you make plentiful, because we can have plentiful, then we have plenty to see, plenty of the balance, plenty to do. But when you fuck with that, well, what's going on? Someone trying to dominate? We're screwing up some way. What's happened? Why do we need to wipe our species? Have we stopped hunting and gathering yet, or what? Don't know. It's only for the listed. The ones allowed to go out and hunt and gather and make a shitload of money. Because they got on the list. Now, wow, hey, babes. You know, a little bit like fishermen. They get quotas. They're allowed to go out and get this money. If they can find it, they get the money. The government gets what they need in the quotas, and they get a shitload of money when it comes to certain things. If they get a catch force, if they get what they're looking for. Hunting gatherers. Still happening today, people. Get your quota list now. But guess what? The list is short. So is that fair or what? Oh my God. The only thing is way it's fair is here you go. Thank you, Tess. Up on my tea there. She couldn't wait, I didn't know, so that's my fault. Is to farm things. Government allow people to have a little bit, so they can go out and get a little bit so you can farm it. They'll go out and kill, so we can fill our quotas. That's why you see a lot of people trying to get in other people's countries, in their waters and that. You've been seeing that? They need to fill quotas. Hunt and gathers. When you're a hunt and gatherer, you go, well, we'll go gather and hunt what we can, I guess. Can we get away with it over here? Who's got the rights? Who's going to bloody whinge about it, I guess, isn't it? Anyway, cut off all that, people. We will call that was serious Tim. Popped out, he couldn't help himself. Does the talk and everything. What do you reckon, Stella? Serious Tim. Which guy do you want to see? Well, he can be anybody you want. You can say he's an actor. Well, if you're an act and you learn some knowledge, what are you then? Shit. They say you play games. They don't know what you are. I don't know. What do you reckon? What you do is you just play you. You go with the flow. You show what's needed. You feel what's needed. You tell what's needed. You be. And if you decide every now and then, stop being, you can be something else. Like acting. Like now. See how I'm talking? That's not usually me. It's acting. But you don't act in serious shit, I can tell you that. And I don't. That's the scary thing about things, isn't it? People start going, oh, are they acting? Are they them? Well, you know how you know? How long have you known them? How long are they one way? Or how long are they mostly like that? If they get too much in their role, I guess you'd be like, I'm fucking confused. They're constantly like that. Well, guess what, they're like that now, right? Or if you know their true selves, you go, well, this is the person here, this is it. I guess if you want to be fun, they'll be fun. If you guess if you can't, guess if shit's hitting the fan, they might just go with you, fan. Just, it all depends on the moment, isn't it? What's the feeling today? The feeling today is, it looks shitty, and I'm going to feel upset and down with the weather. But that's not today. So I'm going to feel upbeat. Yeah! You feel what you want to feel, I guess, in the moment that you are. You know what's crazy? Is that when you have no excuse about the weird feeling that you're feeling. Right? Means you're loaded. You can go out and do things, but then you go, I don't know what to do. I'm lost. I guess that's what they are then, aren't they? There's people like that. You get to a point like the dude out of time. I've lived too long, I've seen it all, done it all, and I'm going to give you all my time and jump off this branch. I've just had enough. You get to there. That's a good thing, isn't it? And the other guy's like, no, don't do it, man. You gotta live. We get told, man, it's always okay when you're dying. And you gotta live every time. It's our thing. He's like, man, trust me. Feel good for me. You should feel good. You're getting what I'm giving you. Man, do you want me to go give this to someone else? No, man, no. Shut the fuck up. Take my time. Because I just told you I've lived way long enough, so you don't need to feel sympathy for me. And I'm gonna kill it and end myself, because I just had enough. I want the next level, man. This level's done. It's like playing the game over and over again, but you're done, isn't it? People can get like trouble everywhere, done that. I don't want to do all the hunt stuff, so I'm just gonna finish it, right? I can play, get tortured and other things, but no, I decided to skip that and just go to next level, hopefully. Otherwise I gotta repeat, but at least I get to forget. Hopefully I just don't remember. I go, shit, what am I gonna do to get out of this if this keeps happening? I gotta do everything and I'm still, oh my god! No, that's not an outcome. You don't want that one. So perhaps he's right. Baby's gone for pumpkin! Sam. Anyway, I better stop because they've calmed down. Now they're just putting around and they can do that when I'm out here. And I'm gonna go do something. Have a good one, everybody. And bye-bye. And enjoy today's blab. Bye-bye!